Ramogi Jood bura mag Kenya Kwanza kod mago mag Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance oromo odiochieng' ma kawuono kendo singo tiyo kanyakla mar jiwo twak. Kane giloso odiochieng' ma kawuono jotelogo mane ochung' kar kwethno mar ariyogo mane ochung' ne kweth ariyogo mag siasa osingo lalruok e kindgi mar nyayo lwasi maber ne twak ma ochan. Komiti mar twak e kind Kenya Kwanza kod Azimio obedo bende koro ne oromo mokwongo e magawa moro mantiere boma ma Nairobi. Gidhi nyime kod lalruok e wilai kod weche mabiro bedo mise mag twak.
In the course of our engagement this morning, we did raise the issue of the inclusion of the Honorable Aden Kainan, the MP for Elders, as a member of the Kenya Kwanza negotiating team. And our objection was premised on the fact that Aden Kainan is a member of the Jubilee Party, and the Jubilee Party remains a constituent party of the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition.
Today we begin to speak to each other, not at each other, and to engage and put all the issues that have been raised out there on the table and be able to agree on them. And we have confidence that under the leadership of Mheshimiwa Otiende Amolo and Mheshimiwa Gitonga Murugara, this team will be able to deal with all those issues. And
katika wale watu ambao tulikuwa tumewachagua saba upande huu na saba upande huu, ni jambo ambalo tumejadiliana na tumeafikiana ya kwamba ni sawa, wanaweza kukaa kwanza na wakaanza mkutano. Mkutano huu hauegemei pande yoyote. Sisi tunasema katika majadiliano haya na majadiliano yaliyoko wazi, nipe nikupe, tukizingatia ya kwamba nchi yetu ni muhimu zaidi kuliko mtu yote.
Given that this is a first meeting that you are having, it will be impossible to agree on everything. But at least we have made some good progress. There are things that we have agreed on. Then there are some that unfortunately we couldn't resolve, at least not at our level, which as you've been informed by my colleague leaders, we have resolved then to take it back to the leadership of the coalition.